guys, it's Shia, and today I'm gonna be playing Midnight Market Horrors. I don't know, I forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing this game, so let's get into it because I don't know what else to say. Uh, I think this is for all 4 people, but it's only me, so it's gonna be me playing because I don't got nobody to play with me right now. The picture looks scary, but I don't know what's gonna be actually scary. Oh, and by the way, if you hear something in the background, that's just my TV. Start your shift by clocking in from the back room. Ooh, okay. I call out to my character, the sound goes, like, turns a different way. And my sounds be up. Ooh. What was that? I don't like that, though, that when I turn, the sound goes to one ear. Is this the back room? Oh yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Ooh, a flashlight. Well, I can't get a flashlight. And why does it look dark in here? Restock the items from the red basket at the checkout station. Where's that at? Where's that at? Oh, wait. Huh? Restock the items from the red basket at the checkout station. Oh. I just had to reread that, because I was like, huh? I can only grab one at a time? That sucks. Bread. Where does bread go? Did I just put it anywhere? Oh, I gotta put it at a certain place? Oh, wait. No? Oh, I gotta place it at... Oh, okay. So, I got whatever item I get, I gotta place it at the right one. Ooh. Yeah, I don't like that. See, me, when I'm at a store, if I pick them up by accident, or not by accident, but if I already need it, I just put it wherever. But it'd be something small, though, not something big. Plus it's soda. What's this food here and stuff anyways? Ice cream. Ooh. My cousin would love that. Ice cream. Calf. No. Ooh. They got donuts and stuff? Well, not donuts, but like... don't know what that is, but... I don't know. Can't see the bottom of me, but that's alright, because I don't care. Ice cream. And then one more thing. And then I'm done. Oh, do I got a sweep? I see a broom right there. Soap. Can I go croissant from at that cafe? Can I go croissant? The Texas Gray. This music is just not it. Oh! Yo, don't do that. Never mind. That scared me. I mean, she scared me. Anyways, how's your day, ma'am? Walking around? Yeah. You just came in here, probably. Hold on, I'm trying to put my phone on start. Alright, bam. I'm coming, ma'am. Help the customer check out their items. I can't do nothing. Me, is this all for tonight? No, I said me. Of course it is. Okay. That will be 10.56. 10 for a watermelon and drink? Yeah. I don't make the prices, ma'am. Hurry up. Grab the cash. Okay, it's not my fault that the prices are high. I don't own this place. Why am I the only one in here? I mean, I am playing by myself though, but yeah, just drive away. At least I'm in a city, so it's not like tough. Oh nah, I'm out. Let me out. Oh nah, actually I don't want to go out there. I'm scared. Why is that back there red? Ha! Oh my gosh. My sister just scared me. Or maybe it's just a coloring. Oh, it's just a coloring. Never mind. I'm gonna go outside. I'm scared. It's too dark. I can't see. What the freak do I do? Things? I don't even know. Bathroom? Hello? Anybody in these stalls? Oh, I can't go in here. Hello? Am I hearing things? Bruh. What am I supposed to do? Maybe I turn power or something on. Or just back here for. Actually, where is the power? I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Hello? The freak? I'm hearing for sure. Where is power? Get him up from the front. What the frick was that? I didn't get to see it. I just turned. I'm like, huh? What is that? Mop. My heart is beeping now. What am I supposed to mop up? What the mop up? Mop is dry. Go get some water. Where the water at? Oh. Oh. I gotta stand in. Oh, wait. I thought I stand in place. Almost done. We got 2 more. No, 25. I'm done. Mopping, finished cleaning. Oh. Now what? Clean the bathroom stalls. Move on water. Yo, that's gonna crap on me. I have never seen a What the freak was that? I pressed buttons on my phone, bro. Bro, this game. Now what? Am I done in this bathroom? I'm not closing these stalls back. They're staying open. I got goosebumps. Nah, I don't like that. Can I leave? Is anyone? I want to bet. Oh, I mean, is anyone here? I want to bring a cheese. I want what? Bring the hobo cheese and brick. What the freak is? Okay. Brick. Take your brick. Oh, I want brick. How? Why do we have brick in here? No cheese. Why is there just cheese laying around? What the heck? Take your, cheese. You will never catch me alive. Okay. Now what? Can I get this gun? There's stuff happening around here. I'm gonna leave. Now what? We're gonna get some customers. Because I need some company. I already... What? What? Hello? Why is there a toy roaming around? I'm scared. My headphones are so loud, bro. Nah, it's going. Don't scare. Ready? I'm ready. Don't scare. I'm ready. I'm ready for jump scare. I'm ready. I don't care. Why did they take me back here? Shut up, car. Ah! Oh. Bruh, I can't with this game. Every time I turn around, it's a freaking jump scare. And I got disconnected. I'm not doing this again, bro. No. I got disconnected. No, I'm not doing this again. Nah. I need people to play with. I need people. I need people. It's too scary. I need people. I guess thanks for watching. I can't speak. I need people. I got disconnected again. Thank you for watching. Bye.